I bet you didn't know that your Ford F150 gear display can stop working for some really simple reasons. First, let's talk about the ignition switch. If it's faulty, it can cause your gear display to go blank. Make sure it's fully turned on. Next, check your fuses. A blown fuse might be the culprit. Take a look at your owner's manual to locate the fuse box and replace any blown fuses. Another common issue is wiring problems. Over time, wires can become loose or damaged. Inspect the wiring around your gear display and the transmission. Don't forget about the battery. A weak battery can cause electrical problems, including a non-working gear display. Check the battery terminals for any corrosion and ensure they are tightly connected. Lastly, the transmission control module, or TCM, might be the issue. If it's malfunctioning, it won't send the right signals to your gear display. This usually requires a professional diagnosis. Got all that? Ignition switch, fuses, wiring, battery, and TCM? Check these areas and you should be back on track in no time. Still having trouble? It might be time to visit your local Ford dealer or a trusted mechanic. They have the tools and expertise to get you sorted out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more F150 tips and tricks. Drive safe.